Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're using the Google Meet or Open Meets app and you want to delete your calling account, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Make sure you follow along carefully to avoid any confusion. First, open Meets app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen and select Settings. After that, tap on Calling Settings from the list of available options. Now, choose Calling Account to view your active accounts. Finally, tap on Delete Calling Account and confirm by selecting Delete once more when prompted. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more easy tech guides. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. See you soon!